Alright guys, so I wanted to show you these really nice everyday sunglasses. So this is by the brand Tory Burch. So this is what it looks like. This is the side of it. So you can see that it's a little bit on the bolder side and it is thicker. And then it slowly starts to get a little bit smaller as it goes on this part behind the ear. And then it has the little logo right here. I love a black and gold. This is what the design looks like. And then it has the same thing on the other side as well too. And then there's just this little stud right here that's gold as well. And then you can definitely see too that the frame is a little bit like on the thicker side. So if that's something that you're into, these are definitely a great look. Another one of my favorite things about it is the shape of it. So it's not necessarily like a cat eye or an oval or it's round. I love a shape that goes like inwards towards the bottom and it's a little bit more on the square side. So that's what it looks like. I love the shape. I feel like it, obviously you definitely want to get something that complements the shape of your face, and I feel like this one definitely does for me. But like I mentioned though, this does have a thicker frame, so if you are more interested in a simpler look, this might be a little bit on the thicker side, but I love the way that it looks. They're really cute. Like I mentioned, they are day-to-day wear, but yeah, definitely one of my favorites from the Tory Burch.